Hey there. Thanks for joining us at AI Neurosky, where we learn with AI and master the future. Ever wonder what separates a good company from a truly dominant one? Well, some companies will use 3D printing. Others will rely on AI. But the companies that truly win, the ones that become unstoppable, will combine AI and 3D printing into a self-reinforcing flywheel. This is the secret to building an unbreakable competitive moat, and today, we're breaking it down. So, what exactly is a flywheel? Imagine a heavy wheel that's hard to get moving at first. But with each push, it gets a little easier to spin, and soon it's rotating with incredible momentum. In business, a flywheel is a system where each improvement makes the next one easier. More usage creates more data. More data improves the product's performance. Better performance attracts even more users. And the cycle just keeps accelerating, spinning faster and faster on its own. It's a powerful loop of continuous growth. Now, let's apply this to our main topic, the AI and 3D printing flywheel. Here's how this incredible system works. First, the more parts a company 3D prints, the more real-world production data it generates. This isn't just theory, it's tangible data on material performance, print times, and structural integrity. Then, AI steps in. Powerful algorithms analyze this mountain of data to find hidden patterns and opportunities for improvement. The AI then suggests enhancements to the designs, making them more efficient. These better designs allow the company to print parts that are faster, cheaper, and stronger than before. As you can imagine, lower costs and higher quality are a killer combination, leading to a massive increase in adoption. More companies and customers want these superior parts. And, you guessed it, this increased adoption creates even more production data, which feeds back into the AI. The flywheel keeps spinning, getting faster and more powerful with every single rotation. This is where the unbreakable moat comes in. Why is this system so incredibly hard for competitors to copy? Think about it. A rival company might be able to buy the exact same 3D printers. They might even use similar AI models. But what they don't have is the most crucial ingredient, the data. Without years of real-world production feedback from millions of printed parts, their AI models are essentially flying blind. They stay weak and theoretical. Over time, the performance gap between the company with the flywheel and the one without widens into a chasm. The leader's products get exponentially better, while the competitor struggles to even keep up. This is how a true, data-driven AI moat is formed. It's not about the hardware, it's about the intelligence loop. The real-world impact of this, especially in supply chains, is revolutionary. A company with this flywheel can respond to market demand almost instantly. Instead of warehousing millions of spare parts, they can print them on demand, wherever they're needed. It enables continuous, automated design improvement, so products are always getting better. And during global disruptions, like we've seen recently, this system provides incredible resilience. Supply chains transform from static, fragile processes into dynamic, intelligent learning systems that adapt and improve over time. So, who will ultimately win in this new era of manufacturing? It won't be the companies with the most factories or the most printers. The winners will be the ones with the most data, the best trained AI models, and the fastest learning cycles. They are the ones who can spin their flywheel faster than anyone else. In this new world, manufacturing is no longer just about making things, it becomes a software-driven, strategic advantage that is nearly impossible to replicate. The big picture here is that combining AI and 3D printing isn't just about simple automation or cutting costs. It's a strategic loop that compounds a company's advantage over time, creating a gap that competitors may never be able to close. This is how the industrial leaders of the future are being built, right now, one data point at a time. If you want to keep understanding how technology creates real, sustainable competitive advantage, make sure you subscribe to AI Neurosky. Together, we'll learn with AI and master the future. Thanks for watching.